MTD network capacity video for LMS Precision in Droitwich. Now, they do have a little bit of spare capacity on this machine, and it is an absolute beast of a machine. It's a Matsuura H.Plus 405 PC6. What does that mean? Well, it'll do your milling work. It is fast, nimble, accurate. 240 tools, so it gets a lot of flexibility. And in here, you've got the pallets. It's got 6 pallets. So one in the machine being machined, one here being loaded, and 4 in there waited to be loaded. So it gives you the ability to do small batch runs and big batch runs, whatever is required, intricate parts. So you can have 5 loaded up parts loaded up on this face, 5 on this, 10 on here. They'll do the fixturing themselves in-house. Great example of the work they're doing. This is a billet which I've already done some work on. Pop it in to the fixturing, then out it comes like that. So you've got your mill flats there, drilled. So a cracking example of some of the work they're doing. And don't think, because it's got the 6 pallets, it's big batch runs. They will have 5, 10, whatever it might be. Big batch runs, obviously preferred, but get your work, get your quotes from LMS Precision in Droitwich.